Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Oppo Find X5 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 widgets for this device. So first of all, in order to access the widget menu, just make the shrink and swipe anywhere at the home screen. Here at the top left corner you have this plus button, tap on it, and then you'll get to the widget menu where all the widgets are divided into convenient categories. So to start off, I'll highly recommend that you add this Google search bar widget. So all you gotta do in order to find it is to look for the Google category, then choose this widget, choose the home screen that you want to drop it at. I'll just leave it here for example and press on done. The second widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the clock widget. That is obviously located at the clock category. In here, just choose the design that you'd like. I'll go with this one that contains both the clock and the brief summary of the weather, and I'll just go ahead and place it at this screen. The third and the last widget that I would highly recommend on adding for you guys is the calendar widget. That will allow you to keep the track of the events and all the important things that you have added to the calendar app on your device without actually having to open up the calendar app, and basically you'll have the convenient shortcut right at the home screen. Choose the design that you'd like. I'll go with this one probably and put it to the separate home screen just to keep the track of the important things that I have added to the calendar, and there is also the list of celebrations that are at any chosen day. So pretty convenient, I think. Alright, that was it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave your like, leave some comments if you'd like, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.